Hi, my name is Heffron, and I'm a mind-body nutrition health coach. I had a crazy story when I was 14. I had this weird stomach pain that I couldn't explain. And for some reason, I sat myself down. I was trying to figure out what the problem was. And when I realized I was just a teenager bored, and I kind of found a solution for it, my stomach pain went away. That was my first kind of psychosomatic experience, but I didn't understand why, and it just left me curious. And I think I realized at that point that it was kind of a foreshadow to taking this training, and now I totally understand how important the mind is in connection with the body and how health impacts greatly our health and well-being. So it really helped me answer questions after decades of wondering. This training really helps you work on your issues. And I'm kind of a recovering junk food lover. And when I started having health concerns a number of years ago, they told me I needed to wipe out every food that I loved. And I did it, and my health conditions got better, but I was sad. And I remember thinking, what's the point of continuing life and staying healthy if you don't enjoy the food that you eat? Because it just took everything away that I loved. So after the training, I realized that you have to approach your health journey from a place of joy and love instead of a place of lack and sacrifice. That's the only way you're going to have only true long-term results. I work in a hospital as a physical therapist, working in a rehab center. I work with a lot of patients who suffered from strokes, multiple sclerosis, and other autoimmune conditions. So I've had 2 patients tell me, "Oh, are you a psychologist?" It's completely changed the way I've been treating them, not just from a physical standpoint, but just kind of coaching them along the way, because it's devastating, the patients, the problems that they go through, strokes and MS and Guillain-Barré, just really deep things, and we don't have a neuropsychologist anymore. So I'm kind of taking that role in a very small way to try to help them work through the transition of disease, basically, and back toward the path to health. I'd recommend this training because I think a lot of health coaches are looking from the physical side of things. Root cause healthcare looks at genetics and labs and supplements and things like that, but this gives a comprehensive view of the deeper aspects of what's impacting your health. Emotional trauma, challenges with the relationships, not going forward in life. All of those things can impact the stress response, which can also impact your health. So if you combine these 2 together, you can really get at the heart of what's wrong with someone so they can move forward in their health journey.